The Nokia N95 Pro 5G is shaping up to be an absolute powerhouse in the smartphone world, combining blazing performance, massive storage, and cutting-edge display technology. At the front, it boasts a 144Hz FHD Plus Super AMOLED display, delivering ultra-smooth scrolling, vibrant colors, and an incredibly immersive viewing experience for gaming, streaming, and productivity. Under the hood, the phone is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, ensuring top-tier performance for multitasking, heavy gaming, and demanding apps. With a staggering 32 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of internal storage, the N95 Pro 5G can handle massive amounts of data and apps effortlessly, making it a true flagship for power users. Photography reaches a new level with the 300MP main camera, promising insane detail, rich colors, and professional-grade shots in any lighting condition. The device is also built to last all day and beyond, thanks to its 8,000 mAh battery paired with 90W fast charging, meaning minimal downtime and maximum productivity. Overall, the Nokia N95 Pro 5G combines cutting-edge specs, futuristic design, and flagship-grade performance, positioning itself as one of the most impressive devices in 2026.